Good manufacturing practice, or GMP, is a system that ensures food products are consistently produced and controlled according to quality standards. It minimizes risk involved in food production, from contamination to mislabeling, protecting both consumers and the company. Personal hygiene is the first line of defense in food safety. All personnel must follow strict hygiene practices, including proper hand washing, wearing clean protective clothing, and avoiding jewelry or strong fragrances. Clean facilities and equipment prevent contamination. All surfaces, tools, and machinery must be regularly cleaned and sanitized following approved procedures. Proper temperature control is critical in maintaining food safety. Raw materials and finished products must be stored at the correct temperatures and clearly labeled to ensure traceability. Quality control ensures that every product meets safety and quality standards. Regular inspections, testing, and documentation help identify and correct issues before products reach consumers. Accurate documentation is essential for traceability. Every batch must be recorded from raw materials to final distribution so that any issue can be quickly traced and resolved. Preventing contamination is a key GMP principle. This includes avoiding cross-contamination, controlling allergens, and maintaining proper separation of raw and cooked products. GMP is everyone's responsibility. By following these practices, we ensure safe, high-quality food products for our customers every time. Safe food starts with you. Follow GMP every step, every day.